What the heck did we get ourselves into? Welcome to the Trendy Outdoorsman. I gotta pause and acknowledge something that you're seeing on my face right there called a porn stash. You'll never see this again. This is a bet I lost to my wife. We'll go over that in maybe some other video. We're finally able to do a DIY smart home investor series because we bought a house. We bought this house at an estate sale that the homeowners have lived in since 1960. Check this out. It came with a car and it came with a lot of stuff. So we're going to go through a video series of how we renovate this 1960 house and make it modern. This is the home that we purchased. It was built in 1960, 2143 square feet, 4-bed and 2-bath. One of the first things that we do is we install one of these guys here. They're only 50 bucks on Amazon. It's very convenient because you don't need keys anymore. If you want to be a little more savvy, get one of these. This is a smart home lock with a feature where you can actually lock it from your phone if you forget on the go. And I'll link below for that one as well. And for the rest of the doors, we get some of these. They're pretty cheap, and this way you'll feel very safe and secure for the entire home. So start with all this first. Okay, moving on to the back of the house. It looks like we will need to pressure wash everything. The roof, the house itself, and repaint the house. Clear out the back patio area and probably paint the concrete as well. The garage is full of stuff and a car that we get to sell, so that's a big bonus. Moving inside, the dining room, obviously wallpaper nightmare, but some nice furniture to sell there. Kitchen is very important, so here we're going to probably pull everything out. We're going to redo entire new cabinets, countertops, backsplash, and all new stainless appliances. In the living room, we'll probably redo the fireplace, retiling the entire thing. It's a nice centerpiece. Removing that mirror up top. That's going to be my wife's job. She's looking forward to removing all the tile pieces. I believe we're going to try using the wallpaper steamer to heat the glue off the back. Upstairs, there's a pretty simple gut job for the bedrooms, just flooring and paint, nothing crazy. Bathroom, very important. We're going to remove all the tile that you're seeing in wallpaper. We'll redo the bathtub with nice white subway tile, retile the entire bathroom, do a new sink, faucet, and as well as a mirror and toilet. We got a ton of stuff in the third bedroom downstairs. It'd be perfect for our estate sale, so we'll clear that out. And then of course the bathroom here will be very similar to the bathroom upstairs. So it's got a lot of tile work that needs pulled and a lot of wallpaper, but once we'll pull everything, we'll retile the shower. Same thing, we'll probably end up getting a new vanity here, a new toilet and flooring. And the last bedroom, the master, we'll remove everything, the dressers, everything we'll sell. It's a nice set. It is all wallpaper, wall to wall to wall. My wife actually said she's looking forward to doing this, and I'm looking forward to her doing this. We're actually doing a separate video for her removing wallpaper with a machine, and she's amazing at it. I'll link it below. And finally, the basement. There's a little office that we'll be gutting out to make a little more space, removing all that awesome flooring. And we're going to repaint everything, redo the ceiling tiles. There's a neat little fake fireplace area, so we'll fix that up. Basement's very important, so we'll make this look really nice when it's finished. Here's a little teaser of progress in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Next week is video 2, the progress of this home. Go ahead and smash that like button, as they say, and subscribe to the channel. Doing more videos to come. We're doing a series on Tesla and some other things that are related to technology. So hopefully you guys are here for the ride, and come back next week.